This is CD Bond, the mastermind, and just a lot of superstar, the world's famous Supreme Team. Now we've searched the world for the hottest DJs, and man, we found some good ones. So everybody just sit back.
I need a mic card. Turn the mic on, turn the mic on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Rest in peace, Straight Dilla. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh my doggy. Yeah. Logos, yeah. Let's start it right. We're gonna start real smooth. 2018 with it, then we're gonna get back to the new shit. Come on, man. Yeah. Huh? Not even, my brother. We ain't even started yet. Oh, God? How much lines you know? Say that. I'm a pass it to you for the second verse. He said he knows all the lyrics. I'm a pass it to him for the second verse. Don't come in here capping. Hey, yo. I'm showing their love, no latex and safe packs, not for blowing the dub. Same flex, same Rex when I'm rolling my blunt. Young kick like the wind, high flow with a punch. I'm Esco with Tesco. When I go for a munch, they testo, carresto. Spend my love on the beat. I got love for the art, I got love for the streets. Treated in my understanding, I got love for the free. So fucking with me. What's his name when we got what he look like? Sensei, raised in the land of the push. Wordsmith, patting up the verse till it look right. Husband, roll it in a. What? Never seen a nigga grow green up. I ain't even seen a nigga glow his whole team up. Beat me up, Scotty off, put on too cocky feel. Scotty too hot, he come food chop, sucking. 94 Snoop Esson, now with the Tommy fit. Let your head down, let your body jet. For real, niggas on Chappelle, real funny shit. Pacifist, but the flow's all homie shit. 94 Snoop Esson, now with the Tommy fit. Let your hair down, let your body jet. For real, niggas on Chappelle, bro. Pacifist, but the flop. Blue shoes like my feet on Crippin' 08. I was listening to ego tripping, might just hitting with the knowledge, leave his ego missing in the jungle. Catch me on a speedboat pissing. I was raised on the R&B. 04 had R&G. Got my team in my car with me. Stick around, you go far with me. Wanna go solo, aight? That's calm with me. Cause when you was on EBT, 06 I was slapping TBCT. Pay the cost to be the boss on the DDT. Real still, Kill Bill on my DVD. Black shit to my fear, look at Easy E. Was same for a nigga at DBZ. Like, and free max, nigga waiting for a nigga at DP3. It's like, low light shit. I'm really shit for that real quick. Come on.
Monkeys.
Yeah.
How dare you let them convince you I ain't do it for my city, bro?
Say that like I ain't do it for my city.
We was raised where the Bronx in the Bronx sitting shitty, dog.
Say that, yeah, shit looking shit.
But young niggas move pies, getting fly off a nitty, dog.
Say that, you getting fly off of it.
Whole bunch of love for the bits, but this shit really gritty, dog.
Word up,
Yeah.
nigga love his city.
No seed in my beanie like Zim, why these niggas too in, I ain't into that. Used to getting love cause I was always one to give it back. Exhibition close, I used to watch my oldest flip a pack. Told me fuck the road cause they could tell I was a different cat. Word, now we stressing about the rent, I reminisce on all the extra shit I spent different time on. Always the same like bygones. Crazy how I still couldn't imagine, though I know deep in my soul that all this shit was gonna happen. Young, he been creative, no debating. He was sketching in the basement, that was way before the rapping. AP, real short temper, my flip though. AF1, glide on phones, I'm like Cisco. Conversations with the conglomerate, life flip mode. He ain't got rhymes, he a buster. Meanwhile, situation fuck like a cluster. I trust you, still won't let it burn like Usher. AP smoking on gushers. Yeah, said we're making art, why the fuck they try and rush us? Legacy was solidified off a little vibe. 2-2 spliff in the Hennessy got me a little high. Being through shit tight, pockets little dry. Still I thank the Lord that he let them convince you I ain't do it for my city, dog.
Say that like I ain't there for my city.
We was raised where the bricks in the block sitting shitty, dog.
Say that, you know the block.
Yeah.
Where
Buzz.
young niggas move pies, getting fly
Fly
off a nitty, dog.
Say that, fly off.
Whole bunch of love for the bits, but this shit really gritty, dog.
Say that, you know where we love is
How dare you let them convince you I ain't do it for my city, dog. We was raised where the bricks in the block sitting shitty, dog. Where young niggas move pies, getting fly off a nitty, dog.
Say that.
A bunch of love for the bits, but this shit really gritty, dog. Like fuck it, had to make it happen. Every verse he breaking pencils,
Like, why
why that
that
boy
boy
was
was
on to
just
snap.
snapping.
Every show was level-headed from the intro to the clapping. Every borough keep the body, brought the ganja down to clapping. We was sleeping on the yard, you might as well just leave him napping. You was never really trapping, you was capping back to back like Kappa. Dog, I'm at the family function, eating ackee with a snapper. All the fins was never planned, but still he damn tight dapper. Defeating any rapper off the calculated chatter. Skin dog line matter, it's the
I ain't
big
even gonna
split
rap.
tapper. We got fans in Korea way back to Ayanapa.
I play somebody pass me a lighter. Hey nigga play beast on cypher. He was tweaking up the beans, getting hyper. I'm living with the page, not the fighter. I'm explaining shit I've seen in my mind, dog.
Yeah.
Compare me to the scene, getting right, dog. Close my eyes and see the beams
Alright,
and the
let's get
lights, dog.
active.
The way I'm with my team, it's mine, dog.
Yo, dog, yo, dog. Come on. Yeah. Hey, this is my mic. Hey, yo. Yeah. Come on. What you saying? Buzz. It's like, yeah, I said roll that shit, like that shit. Yo, I said roll that shit, like that shit. I said roll that shit, like that shit. Hey yo, Vim, car hoodie with the tip, specialized in shaking ligaments and limbs, the corner make a nigga sick. My state, come on. Max, I know you watching, I know you see me, nigga. What's good? What's Gucci? Come on. EM to the fucking world, man. You niggas crazy? Yeah. Different type of green, like. You know what I mean? Hey, yo. Vim, car hoodie with the tip, specialized in shaking ligaments and limbs, the corner make a nigga sick. Mind stay rocking with the blink, bent on chain Golden. When I go in the snorting, you see me smiling. Good for the shorties that be wildin' and the niggas causing ruckus on the island. Still watch the brains, so I'm feeling really old school. Talking about the 8-tracks, that's way before the Pro Tools. Talking about the 12-inch, that's way before the CD. Talking about the smoke, how you see before you see me, it's crazy. Niggas looking, driving, bitch, crazy. Newly on my side, but don't so fuck you, bitch, pay me. See they get lazy. Want me on the way so they can slow down and change me. They gon' have to race me. Once I get started, I ain't slowing down, real shit. Only got my fist if it's going down. Back to elevating again. Statement pump faking again. What's the way that we win? Back to meditating again. Statement I hating again. Dream chasing again. Back to elevating again. Statement pump faking again. What's the way that we? My nigga, get the fuck out my ear. Back up. Look, it's like, look, don't talk, just listen, it's pound for pound. Had to go and meet the plug by the roundabout. Try and build a studio, but to surround the sound. Fuck around in my head, it'll be round the crowd. Took my Yorkie name and known around the town. Look, bad shit, like designer should be switching from round to gown and down to kind for real. Still acting like you know me, still, you still like the instant fit, though you know he killed like where your morals at. Hey, V7, what is something like? I miss my said it if every cause but I'm in my own path now. Always find my light in the dark now. Rather spend my days in the park now. Ha. Last time, yo. Yeah. Come on,
So what should I play? Bullet, two.
We still gonna keep it short for a little bit. I ain't even performed this one before, so I just wanted to get it off real quick.
No, thank you, Travis.
Yeah.
On street
What?
enough.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. On this shit, it's supply and demand. Yeah. Watch your back if they try, Yeah. Try and lie in the side of your mask. I hope in time they can try understand. Yeah. It's on the shit, it's supply and demand. Yeah. Watch your back if they try, Try and lie in the side of your man. I hope in time they can try and understand. Yeah. We just sliding up in jail at the. Hey, yo. Check. Yo, it's like you treat the rats like a sacred religion. This year I'm fun, I'm taking it different. All the stress, it keep on changing my image. We still go tunnel through the change in the vision. There's more to feed, we split with different division. It's like, hey yo, stop putting my niggas in prison. Whether I knew them or I never was with them, they don't belong in the system. Half you slime based off history, could never forgive them. I ain't for no disrespect because it never was given. Imagine, no, as if it never was written. Imagine, Jimmy, if he never was tripping, don't use no Jimmy, really feeling a kitten. Touch it in public because we really be living. Love and knowledge made it part of the mission, but where you from now?
London? Yes, London. You know, fish, chips, cup of tea, bad food, worse weather, Mary fucking Poppins, London.
Just watch your back if they try, They try and lie in inside of your banks. Yeah, I hope in time they can try understand. Yeah, it's hard to shit, it's supply and demand. Yeah, just watch your back if they try, Yeah, they try and lie in inside of your banks. Yeah, and hope in time they can try understand. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we come on to the next song, bro. Alright. Come on. We're gonna run a little classic for them. My guy Remy, what you say, my brother? I'm off the Henny right now, so I'm gonna need you lot to help me sing this hook. Yeah, I mean respectfully. Let's get it, my brother. Yeah. I need a spliff in the morning, spliff in the evening, night and day, and I can flip the script and put it on a page. Man, come on, get that with the pen. We can roll it up anytime you want. Just let me know. Hey, we can roll it up anytime you want. Just let me know. Hey, we can roll it up anytime you want. Just let me know. Hey, we can roll it up anytime you want. Just let me know. Hey, Apex, the young boy, ain't came to make noise, ain't guessed it. Sensei kind to progression. See the vibes correcting. Right next to crest to the left vibe. Shine like salad dressing. Don't care what you dressed in. We all just smile when they shine. While you standing in the corners with your henchmen. You don't look impressed in any situation. Cause you're raw for look cool to have fun in the occasion. Non-negotiable. Sensei quite coachable. Unprovocable. Overcall and still open to any proposition if I'm able. You trying to be a free or so get locked up in a stable. No, okay, without an able like split in the morning, split in the evening, night and day, and I can flip the skirts and put it on the bench. You may go and get that with the peg, wick roller. Yeah. Come on. Come on. It's Cambu here. It's Cambu here. This nigga got COVID. Never mind. Don't be praying for him. It's Cap. It's Cap. Festival season. It's cool. No, we can't. No. We'll run it. We'll run it in his honor. We'll run it in his honor. Still, we'll run it in his honor. Come on. You have to. Come on. Yeah. Burst.
Stepped in vibes, I Obi-Wan. From the rave, they show me. Finger the pie, my rolly scuff. Love to the females holding. Looking at me like the chosen one. Telling Miss Cozy, if you don't know me, we can make friends. Yeah, I'm with Apex, actually like Bansar, shoulder. Wait there, me and my guys like Rangers. Throwing up Quay from day one. Circle lot like Masons. Them man are minor or major. I don't really watch man too tough. Focus on my stunts like woo-ha. Got this game on his knees like ooh lord. Only 5 plus my
Man, you know what
moolah.
I do, man. You know what I'm on. A pass me the bomb. Yeah, might write me a song that won't take long and agree to. Yeah, if the mood too long won't do me wrong, probably keep me on. Yeah, probably keep me sane. No change, but I still got train. No amp, but I still like strains. In the sun, but I still like rain. Big archives, I could drop a banger every day. Master of the arts, perfecting my craft. You know that I had to make a way. I was down bad, had a little weight, had to make it shake. Then I put it down, back to the bars. I was out the way. Different.
Conscious you, but I'm ignorant. Been this way since infant. No man cursed my vision.
Different.
Still old school with the biscuits. Still run time, but you gifted. Still run time getting lifted.
Different. Conscious you, but I'm ignorant. Been this way since infant. No man cursed my vision.
Different. Still old school with the biscuits. Still moved down, but you gifted. Still run time getting lifted.
Doing up pilgrims, trying to find mills in. You're my pickings, reap me soul, so I sold my different. World is yours, come my children, it's be you. Be yourself, free your mind, see the health. I've been down, leaving hell, I was shook, now I'm well. Rise and give thanks early, with a bad beat code named Shirley. And she rolls them back with 30. And I love them breasts, they perky. I like big ones, small ones, curvy. She want sip my tea, it's earthy. I don't mind when them ones curvy. I don't mind when them ones curvy.
Yeah. Running out options, oh shit, just another day. Getting on my bullshit, so you know I'm putting on a camera gone pan, picking up pen, writing out plans. Pulling hit me up, I just hit the stew, made another jam. No breath, good head, got me dead. Burn the beat, now it's toast, not to glow, on the go. Couldn't cope, with no hope. Now we spoke it into existence. Now we worked it with the persistence. He from London, but he's so different.
Turn the fuck up, man. Can we get the second mic up, please? Make some noise for my buddy Denzel, man. I said make some fucking noise for my buddy Denzel, man. Don't act like you ain't got no fucking ears, dog. Come on, man. Who heard that Def Jam shit? Oh, you niggas is pussy. Yeah, boss, yo, hey, say that himself. Them boys patrolling your area. My brother, fuck up there. So my fucking mic turning up. Say that himself. Them boys patrolling your area.
Started off as a teen, I was young, no
Squeeze the shit.
DSN, feds on them blocks,
Squeeze the shit.
Beans on them running up and down the streets and shit. I
know
mean smart,
smart,
macro around streets and shit. Himself ain't no regular jet.
Cause I
Walk where I
lot.
know, I stay with the fence. Walk where I know,
lot.
eyes taking offense.
Make
Make
man,
man,
get bled in my hands.
Make moving girls every week and shit. MSN, baby, is you tryna be enough? Feds on them streets for grip. Ain't no secrecies. I be damned if a chicken holler me for days. What you want, 3 a.m. in no speaker stage. Oh wait, no I didn't see you, no I didn't date. Suck your mama butt, bitches out my face.
Hey, yeah, say that himself. Them boys patrolling your area.
Blocks turning up. Play it loud cause the blocks turning up. Himself,
Say that himself. Them boys patrolling your area. Hey yo.
Play it loud cause
Ha. Head get cracked and how those we big money. Big hustle, we big guzzling. bubbling like,
Oh, shit.
Now we in the game, switch the level up.
Oh, shit.
Now we cut the frame, switch the bezel up.
Fuck.
But niggas try and take the chain, try and bezel us. At first, whole patchwork, and then it cut.
They hate him.
They trying to hate him, I told them step it up. They gon' lose to it. Def Jam music, get empowerment. In the party, move stupid, Cupid J with the chicken pox.
Second.
The flow is spread around
Brown like a chicken pox.
Artists still playing
Money
money
drop
up.
by the chip shop.
Cool G, slick, slick.
Pookie like Chris Rock.
When he go and change that.
That Apex, I'm Denzel. We
Trying to bring the game back.
Apex.
Say that himself. Them boys patrolling your area. Cause the Glocks is tearing up. Cause the Glocks is tearing up.
Apex.
Say that himself.
Them boys patrolling your area. Play it loud cause the block's turning.
Hey. Come on. Come on.
Apex. Himself. Apex. Himself. Yo, 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 yo. Fuck.
Make some fucking noise for my brother, man. What we got next for that? Ooh, alright. Hey, grass, 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 grass. Yeah. They laughing and talking and walking and sort of vernacular. Yeah. Girls get caught in the cold with the breath like a Dracula. Yeah. AP talk for the root like I'm talking and acting up. Yeah. AP stacking the back of the acting up. Yeah. Man, like, how can they not understand they had enough? Ain't no room to the switch and tell myself I'll do what vintage. Change my walk and simmer. Yeah, nobody chatting that. More when they're rapping that. Like what's the snapping at? Look, AP blacking that. Beat that Bruce to beat. Make that move his feet. Watch it, lose his team. Who's this key? That's AP. Nigga, what's the word for the day? Got more checks on the way. Even though we blessed on the way. Nigga, though we blessed on the way. Word. Yeah. They laughing and talking and walking and sort of vernacular. Girls get caught in the cold with a band like a Dracula. AP talking and root like I'm talking and acting up. You running up, sucking it back in the acting up. No, the sack in the back, I be cracking up. Go to crap, yeah. Tell them to back it up, only and slap it up. Yeah. Niggas gonna applaud it now. Chill up with the Lord in now. Give it a go forward now. And if it go forward now. Coming like a smack, I'll take. Bend to the road, to the move with a crank now. Sing like I can never back down, crank. Do this thing here for them people who live for evil. Like the boy don't. My mum to me when they drunk and silly. When they leave it, they can never know man see goodbye to all my leg. Yeah. They laughing and talking and walking and stood the vernacular. Yeah. Girls get caught in the court with a fat like a Dracula. AP talk from the room like I'm stalking and backing up. They running up, sacking the back of the acting up. But like, how can they not understand that you had enough? Ain't no room to the switch and tell myself, come on, man. Yeah. Alright, we gonna get a little jumpy. Hey, someone bring me a water, man. Hey, someone bring me a water. Real niggas only, come on. Yeah, you wanna smoke the dog, just say that. Say that. You wanna smoke the dog, just say that. Woo! Let me go there. Smoke the dog, just say that. You wanna smoke the dog, just say that. You want to smoke and dodge, say that. Say that. You want to smoke and dodge, say that. Say that. Hey, hey, say that. Say that. You want to smoke and dodge, say that. Say that. Hey, hey, say that. Hey, say that. You want to say that. Don't we been smoking it from way back? Since the nigga had a way cat. Say it, Donald. Fuck you with it. Fuck it. Hey. fucking running. Oh my, oh, I did get some shit. Everyone was talking in the tree. And then I had to put a dream, I'm about to smoke it again. Damn, I don't know what I'm but he took it again. That, fully cause he said he smoked it for life. Every time I run it, never roll that, sir. Say that, you want to smoke the dog, say that. Right now, man. Alright. Let's run to that next one, my brother. Make some noise for Parallel One Cut. Come on. Oh, my EMP brothers in the building, man. Come on. Hey, you ain't gonna rush right now. Go on, rush right.
Did I ever tell you I'm vegan?
Big J's in your face, might just smoke it in your face. Candy Kush, shorty like to give me face. Lately I've been out of space, I ain't trying to catch a case. I've been trying to feel the bass.
Off of the gas and shit.
I fuck with the hash and shit. Cause I'm on my cash, it's Big J's in the face. Might just smoke it in your face. Candy Kush, shorty like to give me face. Lately I've been out of space, I ain't trying to catch a case. I've been trying to feel the bass. Off of the gas and shit. I fuck with the hash and shit. Cause I'm on cash. Big J's in your face, might just smoke it in your face. Candy Kush, I love the taste. Like to give me face. Lately I've been out of space, I ain't trying to catch a case. I've been trying to feel the bass.
Off of the gas and shit.
I fuck with the hash and shit. Cause I'm on my cash. Really dying in the GT. Walking it to like the BT. Show my niggas down the CT. Pre the IV or the DP. You might see me live in 3D. Mine just killing with the freebie. Send sounds for the free P. She finna the TP. Shorty foreign and she freaky. I told when she beat me. They been trying to delete me.
Boss level can defeat me. Got me feeling like I'm Bowser. Elevation on my trousers. SoundCloud on my browser. Big print gonna rouse her. If you try to tribulation, by White City Station. Fucked up, how they bacon fling. They just like a Mason. Niggas know the film, we got one. I must put one for my last one. So can they have like a shorty looking like me? Some about to be a hot one.
Some about to be a hot one.
See up, I think I spot one. Pigeon Holland, I'm a
hot one. You looking like you know me. Clearly
let's
you
go.
ain't know me. Why you talking like you know me? Why you talking like bro me?
Big Jake's in the face. Why you smoking in the face? Candy Kush, I like the taste. Shorty like to give me face. Only out when I speak. I ain't trying to catch it. I've been trying to feel the ace.
Off of the gas and shit.
I fall with the hash and shit. Cause some of my crashes, Big J's in the face. Why you smoking in the face? Candy Kush, I like the taste. Shorty like to give me face. Lately I've been on space. I ain't trying to catch a case.
I've been trying to feel the bass. Off of the gas and shit. I fuck with the hash and shit.
Cause some of my cash.
Look, man. ERP 2018. Niggas is on big shit, big splits.
Yeah.
You know,
EMP.
we ain't fucking with all kinds of
Man, let's keep it current flowing on a
current knowledge and abundance going off the courage, hoping that I flourish. Hope I got it cut it, done it for the mothers, done it for the brothers, living undercover, music for the lovers, rolling up the paper, smoking with a hater, ramen demonstrator, ramen see you smoking with a chaser, smoke a couple acres, yes, says ain't me the maker, yeah, bake it like a baker, yeah, bake it like to bake out, tell him turn the bass up, oh, Neo with the Matrix, movie with the pill, sticking to the code, trying to keep it real, life is like a gate, sticking to the code, numbers in the rows, holes in the soul. Souls never see the fine, never me, home, never home, fine, never clean, nigga never know. Ooh, tell her run a show.
Hey, hey, come on. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Alright. Now it's getting serious, no cat. Alright. Where's all my mushes at? No, you know, no. So where's all my mushes at? Alright. Respectfully, if you do not pretty boy or pretty girl, step to the side because it's about to get disgusting. It's about to get absolutely disgusting. So all pretty boys, pretty girls to the side. I need all my niggas that's ready to get fucked the fuck up right in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm over there.
Once again.
Yeah. Mush! 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 Yeah! Pass! Pass! Hey! Mush! 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 Ah! Let's go! Hey, hold me up!
Yeah.
I like it black! Talking like a punk,
They like that. Yeah.
rolling like a skunk, I like
that. Yeah. Double and triple and flows, they like
that. Every day say he like he was
from her. Shorty hit me up, she said she tryna. I just hit my guy because he got the.
Yeah.
When I'm up on stage, you know I'm tryna.
1, 2.
Mush, mush,
Mush!
mush, mush.
Let's go! Mush!
Mush, mush, mush. Mush, mush, mush. Mush. Say that, say that you got up on my niggas, spray that, my niggas, spray that, cause me and you for we go way back, but we go way back. Memories can't erase that, you can't erase that. Payback, this is the payback. Yeah.
What the fuck we saying, everyone? What we saying? What we saying? Where's the energy? Yeah? Bounce, 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 bounce.
Yeah. I can't
Him in the crew, we gon' give him a fire. No, I can't no fuck with him, he alive. Why is he capping? We know you supply.
You know I love reefer, so I get it cheaper. I'm trying to send me a whole lot of keep. She about to get muddy, step out in my beat. She gon' touch on my head, say she love with my Hold for both niggas knocking the DJ. I'm only gonna give niggas gas out the speakers. Late night tweaking, shine like a beacon. Why this nigga preaching like the deacon? Might play genuine while we beating. Late night feasting, roll up a briefing. Trying to get money, man, fuck with the beef. He from the west, but I stay in the east end.
Red cap mud, bitch, I'm riding a Sonic. Red cap mud, bitch, I'm sipping on Sonic. Dr. Dre, bitch, I came with a chronic. Bounce on the dick like she has some hydraulic. These niggas don't want no problems, I promise. It's on his head, he won't use it, his logic. Run with a stat, nigga, I can't drop it. I don't need no time if it don't make me profit. Kind these numbers ain't quiet. I think you free, don't buy it. I'm on a cat-free diet. You ain't on nothing, you liar. Funny nigga, they just average a prior. I'm getting higher and higher. Funny nigga, just can't have no fun niggas around. One of them round. I'm in the sky and it gets cloudy. I need a stallion, right against Audi. I'm in the sky, but I think it might drop. I'm trying to pull out my loud. I'm in the yeah.
Where is he at? Right in the back. I hear that pussy purring like a cat. Told her relax, take too many snaps. But just like the crowd, wanna see it clap. Just like Ferg, about to level up. Fuck around, I'm about to bezel up. Yeah, about to pull a kettle up. Yeah, about the heavy metal stuff.
Bounce, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Aye. Come on, man. I love. That's what we said, man. That's what we said. I make some fucking noise, boiler room, man. What we said? That's what I'm fucking saying. Yeah. Yeah. I make some noise. Alright, yo. Alright, right now we got Parallel on decks, Apex on microphone, Finn Fox on my left side. I go by the name of Lewis Culture. I'm up in this bitch right now. Having a good time. I hope everyone's keeping healthy, keeping safe, keeping happy, keeping high and shit. We're gonna drop this next one. Shouts to Maverick Sabre as well. Alright, let's get it.
This one here, quiet storm, really had to wait till the sun cleared. EMP, the conglomerate, being for a lot of shit, don't so much.
I had the whole city coughing it. Let's rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. When war manifests, don't forget you unless you make a little progress towards that too. Let's rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. War manifests, don't forget you. AP rose like a rose, I rose in the stone on the concrete. Knows how we won't be in office, switched up and got futuristic office like huh? Black shit, when it out to fit for the middle for the hat trick. Bruce, some of parts, come be asking if can't kick. Trying to have it. Trying to have it, bring it down, have it. Rap it, no, for this rap it. Buffing back, relaxing. Honey with my guys.
Trying to roll up a flat tick from
east to the west bed. Vibes for your chest. EMP run the globe.
Yes, rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. The more manifest, don't forget you. Progress the Lord step 2. Let's rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. Let me talk my shit. Hey. Hey, yo, it's the Wingstop connoisseur, been hot off a verse, my budget pop a bun. Been a sunken place you roll, shit sorta like a rose. You can see the rug a bit lit, but I want to. God sent signals, but the act itself will warn you. There's always a brick move for those that feel immortal. I might be like 6'2" and not for what my height is. I figured I'd drop jewels like Migos, the three wise men. In company of my brothers, I had to come with my pen. Lit letting anybody live was done on my land. Cause I kept my distance and I wasn't dishing out shit like I didn't have the crowd lit. Like my unreleased were better than a nigga album. I really spit that free bass, that yay. I flip it talcum powder, black power, Despite setbacks and things out of human control, we still stay on the road, elevating the vogue. Let's rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. When war manifest, don't forget you. Progress the Lord step 2. Let's rappers talk about the truth because it's less cool. When war manifests, don't forget you. Hey, yo, what you saying, Finn? Yo, what you saying? Hey.
Got venom, got venom.
In the crowd, got credit ring.
That's my brain, let's get it. Let's get it, bring it. Whole dilly daddy dream, caught up in the bank, silly. Packing spirits while we ban the spirits.
Woo!
A damn ribbit. Uncle Ricky said you sick with it, so they gone. Told them that I toggle turning L's into a W. Pack flip, make it do hat tricks. Magic work, back flip. Match fit. With some elevation attire. Need to elevate yourself, then you can probably inquire. Couple writers, couple wordsmith. Hieroglyph the cipher told us get how we work it. Insider, west sider. Insider, and I'm pretty sure we earn it. Table shift the angle, so it's probably best you turn it like on the road, like I don't know if you come my way. I don't know. Aye, none of the man had rehearsed or performed this song before, so make some fucking noise for Lewis Culture and Lord Apex and Elevation in the fucking building. And last thing, if you're happy to be alive, make some fucking noise. Whoa! Hi people, make some noise for Lord Apex. He just gave you the craziest sweatbox set the man I've ever seen post-COVID. So make some fucking noise! It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. We're all here. We're all healthy. That's that. Let's party. Let's have a good time. Huh?
Said I had to clear up my head, but tonight I think I lost the plot. I said that
Listen
I
to me.
I never listened to me. The teachers always called it a shame. Say I did fashion. I said it as I did a few years before. It is feel like there ain't more. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in. I mean they can't understand when they all cope with everything. And then I take them apart and keep my friends family. But it's not what I thought, 'cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no reason we down at the house that we had when we were living as a group. Now that my family's gone, I'm lost as far as I can see. They love me, I'm sure, but they're not there anymore. Stick to me.
and turn. Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this, madness the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At Step out, don't pre-up, cause that's my good-ups. I gripped on two, so I cheated. I think that I shouldn't, but no, I should've. The CID can't chat to me, I'm so fluent, I dodged that bullet. Shit, this gal wanted me, I would've. I would've put it all in a block like would've. Be a shot like would've. Anytime when the pagans ran and the man back wine to the gal them manage. My last bitch weren't banging, she does be a chatting. Why she always jamming? Be I got my young ting back from early. She was trapped in a jewelry package. Star sign Scorpio, shorty sassy. And of course she damaged. Bills run show down the Alta Arena. Hop out the car, then we seminar Reba, dental step with a new tutu, she my new ballerina. Black whip listing out the corner, you can't see me, your time's up, John Cena. See me in a Nina, Mama Sita, shawty, she my side chick, Shensia. Step out, don't pre-up, cause that's my good up. I gripped on two, so I cheated, I think that I shouldn't, but no, I should've. The CID can't chat to me, I'm so fluent, I dodged that bullet. Shit, this gal wanted me, I would've put it all in a block like would've.
Decide when it was that I chose to confide in you. But ever since that day, I'm feeling like 10 times lighter, and I want to say thank you for showing me why you know me, no one knows me like you do. For guiding me, why you lead me, you give me the strength to move through. Illuminated so bright, I want to say thank you. Illuminated so bright,